Hi, I'm Jason Braun, Product Manager for Ancor. Today we'd like to talk about our hex crimp lug crimpers. Ancor offers these tools in two different sizes to meet your needs. The small lug crimper will crimp lugs from 8 to 1/0 AWG. The large lug crimper will crimp lugs from 8 to 4/0 AWG. The rotating dies allow the tool to be adjusted to the correct AWG gauge size of the lug you are crimping. Simply press the pin on the backside and rotate the die set to find the desired size. Thank you for learning more about our tools. Visit ancorproducts.com for more info.